Let's select and type X to remove the default cube. Press Shift A to add an icosphere. Tab to go to edit mode, A to select all, and 3 to go to the face selection mode. Ctrl B to bevel. We all know how to bevel like this already. I'll show you something cool. Ctrl, Shift, and B together. X to remove the selected faces. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add the solidify modifier. Time to add some materials. G and Z to move on the Z-axis. Let's add a ground plane and use a set of PBR images. Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 to set up the render view. If your keyboard doesn't have the numpad, please go to View, Align View, and align active camera to view. I selected the main BSDF node, and pressed Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add a new set of PBR images like this. If your keyboard doesn't have the numpad, please go to View, Align View, and align active camera to view. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. First thing I do is changing the sun intensity to 0.3. Strength to 0.1. Sun rotation to 90, 180, 270, and so on to find the best shadow angle. The sun elevation setting will either extend or shorten the length of the shadow. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. We need to apply the subsurf and the solidify modifiers. But please remember to apply the subsurf modifier first. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.